guys! My name is Teena and today I will be reviewing first impression and also giving you a demo of the Makeup Factory products. They sent me a bunch of stuff, so I will be telling you how much I like them, how I use them, blah blah blah. Dumidikit yung glue. I super love how my makeup turned out. I look so social. Feeling ko I can go to a dinner party with all my mayayamang friends, if that makes sense. It's just the skin is super nice. The eyeshadow is super blended and I didn't have to do much to blend it. I don't know. The first impression is really good. I'm just letting you know now. It's my first time that I've used Makeup Factory products. So if you want to see my reaction using the products, then just stay on and watch the tutorial before I create a long intro. So yun na yun. Panoorin nyo na lang. Bye. Okay, so now we are going to start. I'm going to show you one by one the products and at the same time use it para hindi yung papakita ko yung products and then I'm gonna use it. So para hindi masyadong matagal, I'm just gonna show you, share my first impression, and then do my makeup at the same time. So let's start. They pretty much gave me like a complete set of everything I'll be needing for a look. Actually been seeing Makeup Factory for quite some time now, but since I didn't really know much about it and of course the price kind of scared me, actually okay lang ako gumastos if I know the products are worth it, but since I've never really tried it, but we will see now if it's great or not. So I'll be sharing with you the first impression of everything, so we will all learn together how the brand is. I'm still quite raspy from Bali, so pardon mo ah. Pinaka na-excite akong gamitin are their concealers because I love a good concealer. So we'll be looking at that later. But I'm gonna do my base first. I already cleansed and toned and moisturized my face, so don't have to show you how to do that. But we will be starting with the Makeup Factory Ultra Balanced Color Correcting Base. This is in number 2. Oh, doesn't smell like anything at all. So now for foundation, I'm using the oil-free foundation Makeup Factory. This is number 8 Sand. It's nice that it has an applicator thingy, so you don't have to try so hard. Pump it out. I'm gonna use a brush for this. It has a medium coverage. I like the smell. It's nice that they got my shade like perfectly. Like this is my shade. It smells like sunblock, which I really like. Kasi parang sunblock reminds me of a lot of good childhood memories. Ang maganda kasi sa medium coverage, I know that a lot of people look at a super high coverage when they buy foundations, but kasi when you are able to build your coverage up, you have different varieties of the way you use it. Like you can use it every day without looking cakey. Like if I go out now and then just have this, I would look as if I don't have any foundation. It still looks like skin, but it definitely covered a lot of my imperfections. And you can definitely build this up lalo na with your concealer. Speaking of concealer, I will now be using the Real Conceal concealers. Real Conceal concealer line. Tama ba? Oh my god, how do I say this? Real Conceal line na lang yun. Okay, so they gave me a couple of shades. I really love a good concealer, so it is very important to me. I know a lot of people who are beauty gurus actually, or beauty vloggers that don't use concealers on a daily basis. I personally cannot live without concealers. I feel like they make the most difference on my face because I'm Spanish and I have dark eye circles, so do not see that is a huge thing to me. I don't care if they're full, I don't care if they're medium. I just need concealers in my life. Plus, if you're a makeup artist, concealers are a must-have. It makes the most difference. Promise, kahit concealer lang gawin mo minsan and then powder, you are alive. So they have a lot of different shades. They gave me 15 soft cream, 20 soft beige. Next is 40 honey, 45 medium sand, and lastly 55 camel. Actually, I'm gonna swatch them for you para lang maganda, diba? Kita natin lahat. So it looks like this. It's like a push pen, pero yung applicator niya is a sponge. So you basically pump it until the product will come out of the tip. Push mo lang, baby. Ayan, okay. Ooh. That looks super promising. So that is 20. This is 15. And then what's nice about this is nakalagay yung mismo shade dun sa top part. So you don't have to swatch. You can just like, this is my shade. No. If it's my shade, no. You know? And it's so creamy and liquidy. Ang ganda. Feeling ko this is super high coverage. Whoa, that's interesting na number 20 soft beige is lighter than 15 soft cream. And then next, we will swatch 40 honey. And dumidilaw na siya. 45 medium sand. Oh, this is so interesting. Number 40 is darker than number 45. Pero, okay lang kasi you can see it in the swatch of the box. So, at least that is very true. Like, it's the same shade as to the color of the swatch in the packaging. So, hindi mo kailangan masyado mag-guess-guess. Kasi tinan mo, oh, it's very similar. Kasi maraming times na hindi magkakapareho yung kulay dito kaysa sa actual kulay nung product. Okay, last shade is 55. Hopefully, I can use this to bronze or contour my face a bit. So, feeling ko pwede naman ng very light. Okay, let's just do it, you know. I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. See? Just to give me a bit of dimension. Para mamaya saktuhan na lang, diba? Okay, and then next we are going to highlight my face with these two color. Which one shall I use? I think I want to use 15. It's super high coverage. Oh my goodness. Ang galing. Sorry, I'm a bit quiet because I'm like feeling really sick, but I'm really amazed by this because it really gave me like dimension. Like the center of my face is really highlighted. Tapos yung gilid is parang tan and the coverage is so good. It's not too much where I look parang fake. It's just very natural. It's something that I feel like the majority will like. Nice. And then they also gave me a duo contouring cream. This is in 08 Ash Tan. I actually swatched this already. And parang I'm not light enough for this shade. Pero sige nga, try natin ng very light. The brush. See? It just kind of looks muddy on me because this is for like really fair people. So I'm just gonna set everything real quick. Okay, so now that the base is quite done, I'm just gonna start with my brows. So we have one eyebrow shade here for Makeup Factory as well. This is Eyebrow Styler number 2. I'll zoom you in closer. I'm using a very light touch because it seems to be very pigmented. So medyo kalma lang tayo. It's super creamy, so parang ang dali niyang ikalat. There we go. So now going on for the eyes. They gave me 3 different palettes for this. So I kind of want to do like a holiday glam. So it's nice that they gave me 3 different options to do so. I'm gonna show you one by one the colors. Let's start first with Latin Glow. At the back, you see the colors and the name of the colors. So here you can see it's more neutral, it's more everyday look, but you can still darken it because it has a nice dark color here. You can even use these two for the brows. You have 4 shimmery shades and 4 matte shades. This one you can do for the overall eye. Oh, you can see my lip. It's very, you can use this every day, you know. Next, we have Smoky Slavic. Is that how you say it? Slavic. Ito naman, more smoky eye. You have darker shades, darker shimmer, a blacker charcoal color, and then you have a darker taupey shade, and then you still have shimmers, but it's definitely leaning more on the darker side. I want to swatch the black. Oh my goodness. I honestly hindi ako nag-expect, promise. Even the brown. How about the shimmer? Oh, it's super like good quality. Oh my goodness. I'm so surprised. Well, actually, you know what? No. Since it's a pretty high-end brand. Oh my goodness. At walang fallout kahit konti. As in, it's really professional. You know what I'm saying? And the more colorful palette is called Mysterious Orient. So here we have a red, a gold. This one naman, it's not completely black. Parang siyang like super duper dark gray. And then we have a green. Oh my god, that looks so and then a like reddish cranberry color. So I wonder which one shall I use. This is super nice though. So I'm gonna try to give you a simple smoky eye that everyone can pretty much follow. I'm going to use their base for eyeshadow. It's sensitive eyeshadow base. It's nice that they have that because not a lot of brands do. Yeah. I'm just gonna start off with my transition shade. These two. Fluffy brush. Diba? Nagkulay agad. I think I wanna go red. Because why not? Go back to my brush earlier. Blend it out. Okay, so you see there's a red there. You can either just wipe it off like that. And then just use your concealer again to clean it. O, diba? Malinis na ulit. And then, I want to use a bit of green. How festive can you be? I think I want to go gold in the inner corner. Then for eyeliner, just to deepen that under eye because it looks like I have eye bags, I'm just going to use a flat brush and go to that black color, the palette. I don't know why, but I really like this smoky eye right now. And I kind of want to darken the corner more. It's like you have red and you have green. Parang, oh my god, it doesn't look like parang ka naka-costume. It's just a really colorful smoky eye. But the color isn't vibrant, you know. Hindi siya like funny. Okay, now I'm gonna put some eyeliner because it kind of looks scary right now. We have a liquid liner in black, I'm hoping. We just need the mandal line, like a thin line for when you apply your false eyelashes later. I'm just going to powder my under eye real quick while we wait for it to dry. I'm just using a light coverage powder since my concealer has good coverage already. So I'm just really going to set it rather than applying more coverage. Now for the mascara, we have number 1 Doll Eyes Effect mascara. Packaging is super cute, very artsy. Applicator is also quite interesting. Para siyang from thick to thin like that, so you can really reach in the corners. Oh, it combs through the hair really nicely. If you're simple, you can just finish with this. But I'm not simple, so I really like this mascara, my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna do the lower lashes. So since they didn't give me a contouring powder, I'm using this color from the Smoky Slavic palette all over my face and nose. Diba? Almost done. For their blush, they have this super cute packaging na blush nila. Rosy Shine Blush. I'm just gonna mix it all together. Feeling ko super light color lang siya. Yeah, super subtle. Oh, wow! What? Parang siyang blush and shimmer at the same time. That's so pretty. Kaya pala ano siya, Rosy Shine. Rosy Shine Blush. Actually, alam mo niyo, napansin ko kay Makeup Factory is that they are very subtle. Like, they have great pigmentation for eyeshadows, but everything else is very professional-like. Parang sila yung tipong talagang they can really create skin-like texture when it comes to makeup. This is for everybody, professional makeup artist or not. Na parang if you want to up your makeup game into like a more professional, more high-end level, this is super good. Look how blendable the eyeshadow is. Look how subtle the skin looks. I don't know, I just am super surprised with it and I can't believe it's only now that I'm playing with their makeup. It's so nice because it's so subtle and yet like my na nangyayari. Okay, now for the lips. So they gave me 6 different shades of lipsticks. These are the bullet types. Ito yung parang, papakita ko sa inyo yung loob pero I was watching them for you para isahan na lang pakita ko. When you open the lipstick, it's super slick, super professional looking, and ganito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang color on the outer rim and then the inner part of the circle is like their gloss. Oh, that's so sad. Walang nakalagay na shade doon sa bottom of the lipstick. But this is in Sahara Red, number 13. Dito kasi sa box nakalagay, Golden Core Sahara Red. So kaya siya Golden Core kasi gold yung core niya. And the others are Silver Core. And then the shade of the lipstick. So ako sa inyo, wag niyo tatapan yung box. So this is Sahara Red. Everyday lipstick siya. Hindi siya pangputukan. Sobrang, if you are one of the natural girlies out there, this is for you. Next is another for the Golden Core. This is Lullaby Rose. My mom would love this color. Another one for the Golden Core is this Red Coral. This looks like my Yves Saint Laurent lipstick. So if you want a dupe for the Yves Saint Laurent lipsticks, these are definitely a good close second to it. And it's much cheaper than, you know, YSL. Next, we have the Silver Cores Classy Umber. Ito naman medyo darker na to. Still very nice. Still wearable. Super wearable yung mga lipstick nila. But honestly, I don't see much difference from the gold and silver core. before. It's just all glossy-ish to me. Next, we have Sicilian Red. Ito yung na-try ko na. I really like this on the lip. Last, we have Coral Pink for the silver core. Parang mas pigmented tong tatlong to and compared to these three. So, actually, for my look, I think I'm gonna go back to the first shade. Dito tayo kay Sahara Red. It's not even red. It's like a coral shade. But okay. Sarap nito i-everyday lip. Oh my goodness. It's very moisturizing and it still gives you that color that you want. I'm just gonna apply some falsies on para matapos na yung buong look ko and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I really love how it turned out. The face is super natural habang yung mata medyo festive and smoky. And then the lips are just natural. Just gives me the right hydration for the lips because I've been wearing a lot of matte liquid lipsticks lately. So this is a good break for it. My eyebrows are really nice also. It fits the roots of my colorful hair. And I also like na ang dami kong ginamit na color sa mata ko but it doesn't look too papansin. And also my under eye looks smooth AF. I really love the concealers. It's pretty new. It's out now. I suggest you try it if you have like a really dark under eye. So my final thoughts about Makeup Factory is that it's really good. It's good quality shit. It's high end. You could use it for your professional kit. You could use it as just your personal makeup if you are someone with either sensitive skin or you're just very maarte with like local shit, then you can try, you know, this high-end products. It is super duper blendable. Everything is usable. Pretty much everything but the eyeliner I love. Only because the eyeliner is kind of hard to, you know, control. But it's not the product's fault. It's just me because I'm not used to that kind of eyeliner. I love the lipstick. I see myself wearing this lipstick every single day, even on my cheeks. And also the highlighter. Yung blush nila, I guess disappointed ako when it comes to color. But the subtle shine it gave me, sobrang nabawi. Ang ganda. I really like it. Like tong brand na to, ito yung tipong masasabi na pwede mong pang regalo dun sa socialing mong kaibigan or like sa tita mo or like sa mom mo because it's so easy to use but also great quality. I really recommend this brand to you guys. I will put all the links that you will be needing to see more of the brand in the description box. I will answer you honestly if you have any questions. I think that's pretty much it. I have nothing else to say. Kikay of the day is right here. Congratulations. I love you so much. If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below #Kikay of the day. If you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to click the post notification button. I'm so obsessed with this look. Parang ang social na ang mahal-mahal mo tignan. Parang yes. Anyway, so that is it. I have nothing else to say. And with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye. God bless. Pew pew.